First of all, I want to congratulate Uttam and the Commissioner for organizing this function and particularly felicitating the retired persons because we tend to forget our people who are retired and they also feel embarrassed to come back to the office where they were earlier holding positions. By this tradition, you are maintaining a relation between the people who have served, who have built this organization, and the current people. Also, I want to congratulate IPR. I have been here for last 3-4 months, and the professionalism they have shown during various functions, particularly visit of Honorable PM, when a lot of media was very active and how we gave the right information. For that also I want to congratulate the directorate, all its staff, officers. So it is a great pleasure to join you all in celebrating this year's IPR Day. This occasion not only marks the founding of the directorate, but also highlighting its pivotal role in bridging governance and the people it serves. In a world where information travels fast, our collective mission is to ensure that the information reaches its citizens, which is accurate, timely, and trustworthy. So, in our old school days, or the college days, we used to wait for the newspaper to come. Now, by the time the newspaper comes in the morning, everybody knows everything about the news through social media, through WhatsApp, through Twitter, through Instagram. So things have changed very fast, and that makes the work of IPR more challenging. At the core of good governance lies transparency. The IPR department plays an information role, very crucial role in ensuring that government's policies, actions, and decisions are communicated effectively to the public, including the rationale for the policy. Because a lot of messages are whenever a new policy comes, analysis starts coming. So if we give a good feed to the media, then the analysis will be in a very right direction. In many ways, DIPR serves as the voice of the government. It bridges the gap between the people and the government by creating awareness about its policy, achievements, and challenges to the masses. In the age of misinformation, rapid digital communication, this role has become even more vital. Providing accurate and timely information helps reduce confusion and counter spread of false narratives. Effective communication fosters the trust between the government and its citizens. When people understand the reasoning behind decisions, they develop confidence in leadership and engage more meaningfully in the democratic process. An informed society is empowered to make sound decisions, holding the government accountable. Public relations is not just about informing, but also about listening. The department gathers citizens' views and concerns, helping shape policies that are responsive to the people's needs, strengthening the feedback system. This year marks a significant chapter in public communication in Manipur. On August 1st, we reached a major milestone with the launch of e-Gazette portal, which has fully digitized the publication of government notification. This has enhanced efficiency, transparency, and accessibility, ensuring that vital information is now available to every citizen at the click of a button. Shortly after, on August 5, Imphal had the honor of hosting the National Conference on Coordination with the states in media and public communication. The conference addressed crucial themes such as countering misinformation, strengthening center-state coordination, and enhancing communication capacity. The ideas shared have guided towards building a more responsive, ethical, and citizen-centric communication network. Recently, the Manipur Information Commission-led RTI Week 2025 conducted district-level awareness campaigns, reminding that transparency is not an obligation, but a mindset. Transparency strengthens the public confidence. Another proud initiative of DIPR was the short film competition through socially engaging themes. It used creative storytelling to highlight social issues and promote empathy. It demonstrated that effective communication fosters understanding and inspires change. So I congratulate all the winners of the awards who came here and others who are not, who probably will get awards later in the function. I would also like to remind everyone that upholding the highest standards of accuracy, clarity, and professionalism in news dissemination is non-negotiable. The DIPR's credibility is one of the state's most valuable public assets, and it must always reflect diligence and integrity. In the digital age, official handles must remain active and credible, sharing authentic updates promptly, professionally, and countering misinformation responsibly. As we celebrate IPR Day 2025, let us reaffirm our commitment to truth, clarity, and consistency. In times when misinformation can divide and confuse, the role of the directorate is more critical than ever. I take this opportunity to thank all the officers, journalists, filmmakers, and communication professionals for their dedication and professionalism. Let us carry forward with honesty in our message, responsibility in our medium, and integrity in our mission. Together, we can make Manipur's public communication a model of transparency, innovation, and trust. Thank you and happy IPR Day to all. Tagat Chari. Thank you.